Namaskar, Khushro Vidya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Today our topic is cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex is also called palladium and it consists of two hemispheres. Surface area of cerebral cortex in human brain is 2.2 square meter. Both the cerebral hemispheres are separated by a deep vertical fissure, deep furrow or groove. The separation is complete anteriorly and posteriorly, but in middle portion the fissure extend only up to corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is a broad band of commissural fibers connecting the two hemispheres. Surface of cerebral cortex is characterized by complicated pattern of sulci and gyri. Sulci is a slight depression or groove and gyrus is a raised ridge. Part of cerebral cortex divided into two parts based on phylogeny evolutionary development of a species, neocortex and allocortex. Neocortex is the phylogenetically new structure of cerebral cortex. It is also called isocortex or neopallia. This part forms the major portion of cerebral cortex. Part of cerebral cortex that has all six layers of structure is called neocortex. Allocortex is the phylogenetically oldest structure of cerebral cortex. It has less than six layers of structures. It is divided into two divisions, namely archicortex and periocortex, which form the parts of limbic system. So these are different lobe. Frontal lobe include precentral cortex and prefrontal cortex. Temporal lobe include primary auditory area, audio, psychic area and area of equilibrium. Parietal lobe include somesthetic area first, somesthetic area second and somesthetic association area. Occipital lobe include primary visual area, visual association area and occipital eye field. Lobe of cerebral cortex. In each hemisphere there are three surface: lateral, medial and inferior surface. Neocortex of each cerebral hemisphere consists of four bodies: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital and temporal lobe. Lobe of each hemisphere are demarcated by four main fissures and sulci. Central sulcus or coralendic fissure between frontal and parietal lobe, parieto-occipital sulcus between parietal and occipital lobe, Sylvian fissure or lateral sulcus between parietal and temporal lobe, callosum-marginal fissure between temporal lobe and limbic area. Cerebral dominance and handedness. Cerebral dominance is related to handedness, that is, preference of individual to use right or left hand. More than 90% of people are right-handed. In this individual, the left hemisphere is dominant and it controls the analytical process and language-related functions such as speech, reading, writing. Hence, the left hemisphere of these persons is called dominant or categorical hemisphere. So, these are sulci, central sulci between parietal lobe and frontal lobe, parieto-occipital sulcus, and lateral sulcus. These are different area, functional region on lateral surface of cerebral cortex. These are different area of lobe. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.